Growing up, I would say I wasn't necessarily in love with tennis. It has and still does drive me crazy at times, but it's that possibility that maybe I can come out one day and hit my forehand perfectly or hit my backhand perfectly. That's what keeps me coming back. I'm getting to the level where it's less about how good I can strike a ball and more about strategy and tactics. I think a lot of my improvement has come from being on the other end of a top 5 player's ball coming at me. Leaving UVA was a really tough decision for me. I loved college and I loved being on a team, but I felt like the professional tour was calling my name and I was ready to take that leap. I felt like it was something that I would regret if I didn't try to do. I look back so fondly on the memories I had at UVA, and when I'm playing and I hear Wahoo Wah or Let's Go Who's, it always gives me a little boost of energy. That's something that I'll carry with me for a long time.